There was a lesson to learn from the Holocaust. We're always reminded that. Never forget. We've learned our lesson. There's a lesson to be learned. It's like, okay, fair enough, man. What was the lesson? That's the question. What was the lesson? And the lesson is, you're the Nazi. That's the lesson. It's like, really? Really? Oh God, that's a terrible lesson. But I don't see another lesson. It's you. Well, no one wants to learn that. I mean, that's what I've been teaching my students since 1993. It's like, if you were there, that would have been you. You think, well, I'd be Oskar Schindler, I'd be rescuing the Jews. It's like, no, I'm afraid not. Yeah, you'd at least not be saying anything. Right. And you might also be actively participating. You might also enjoy it. You never know. So
when we notice that in ourselves or admit that, that should give us the power to get back to these 12 steps.
Hopefully, you know, I'm sure that when you were recovering from your particular bit of hell, that some of that was a matter of being scared straight. It wasn't only a matter of wanting to do the right thing. In fact, it was probably mostly being scared straight.
Yeah, scared because I was societally ostracized. Mm-hmm. I was shown by all my friends and family that they wanted nothing to do with it. My own health wasn't of my concern, but that did it. That was the pain, and something clicked in my brain. But it was disciplines, daily disciplines, that got me this far, and then finding the meaning. Those are the two things that got me back.
Yeah, well, you need both of those things. You need the overarching meaning, and you need the structure, the discipline. You need both those things. Yeah. That's why, you know, there's calls in that book to set your house in order. It's like, you've got a problem with the world? Hey, man, no wonder you have a problem with the world. Like, the world is a pretty rough place, and it could use some work. It's like, have you done all your work? If the answer to that is no, then I would say, put in order what you can put in order.